Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about doing this beautiful bird using 5 different styles. As you can see over here, we have the mark and fold, we have the cut and fold, this one is the outie, the innie, then we have the combination, and then we have the 180 adding the cardstock. So let's take a look. The first method I tried was the mark and fold. As you can see, it works really nicely for the silhouette of the bird, but doesn't really give you a whole lot of detail. So inside the book, you can see it's only taking 2 measurements and then you're folding them in. It does give a really nice depth though. The next method I tried out was the cut and fold. The first one I did was the embossed method. The embossed just means that it's raised. And this allows for a lot of detail. So let's take a look at this one. In this one, you're measuring and then you're cutting at each measurement 1 centimeter in, and then you're folding every other tab. To get the embossed method, you're going to be folding in the odd tabs. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15 in this case. Then I went ahead and I wanted to try the inverted method of cut and fold. So this is just the opposite. So in this case, instead of it being embossed or raised, it's actually inverted, or sometimes it's called an innie. You're still getting the really amazing detail. It's just a different method. So when you take a look at this one, it's the exact same thing where you're doing your marking, you're cutting in your tabs, but you're folding in the even tabs. So in this case, it's 2, 4, 6, and 8 are folded in. The next method I wanted to investigate on this bird was the combination. Now the combination combines the mark and fold with the cut and fold. So in this case, when we take a look, you'll see that the first and last measurements are folded in. Then you're cutting in your tabs and then folding in every other tab. The last method, which actually turned out to be my favorite method, because I really like the contrast. In this case, I used black cardstock. You could really use any color cardstock that you like, but I really like the contrast of the black and the white. I think it really gave the detail, that pop that this pattern really benefited from. So in this case, you're folding in 180. 180 means you're taking, in this case, I used a hanging folder, and I folded in a straight line, a 1 centimeter line in. Then I measured my tabs, cut them, and then I folded them every other one. And then I inserted the black cardstock in. So it really did give a really nice image. So please comment below on which method is your favorite for this bird. Happy folding.